Public safety is the city's top priority. For fire prevention, the city's fire department offers a smoke alarm installation program in which citizens can apply to have free smoke alarms installed at their house. The free smoke alarm installation program consists of 8 inspectors who install free smoke detectors to residents who apply to the program and meet the criteria.
This way we know that they're installed and they're installed in the right location. Now again, if you decide to install your own smoke alarms, general placement rules is they should be inside and outside of each sleeping area.
According to the National Fire Protection Association, 3 out of 5 home fire deaths occur in properties without working smoke alarms. More than 38% of home fire deaths occur in homes without smoke detectors. The risk of dying in a house fire is decreased by 50% in homes equipped with working smoke detectors.
We just want to make sure that everybody has them because it could prevent a tragedy. And we've seen it numerous times where lives were lost simply because they didn't have working smoke alarms in the home. And it's extremely important if you are elderly or if you have young children.
The smoke alarm program receives monetary donations and donations of smoke detectors. Requirements to apply for the free smoke alarm installation program include applicants must live in the city of Corpus Christi, own and live in their home, receive low income, are a senior citizen, or are disabled. To apply for free smoke alarms, visit cctexas.com, click Fire Department, and request a free smoke alarm. Reporting for the City of Corpus Christi, I'm Eva Padilla.